At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a mutual fund company involves several steps and considerations. Here's a general outline to guide you through the process. 1. Research and planning. Understand the mutual fund industry thoroughly, including regulations, market trends, and competition. Identify your target market and investment strategy. Determine the type of mutual funds you want to offer, e.g., equity, fixed income, balanced. Create a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, investment strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. 2. Legal structure and registration. Decide on the legal structure of your mutual fund company, e.g., corporation, limited liability company. Register your company with the appropriate government authorities. In the United States, this would involve registering with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, as an investment advisor and with state securities regulators, if applicable. Obtain necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. 3. Compliance and regulations. Ensure compliance with all regulatory requirements governing mutual fund operations. This includes adhering to disclosure and reporting standards, as well as anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC regulations. Hire legal counsel or compliance experts to assist with navigating regulatory requirements. 4. Infrastructure and technology. Set up the necessary infrastructure, including office space, technology systems for trading and investment management, and back-office operations. Develop or invest in a robust technology platform for managing investor accounts, processing transactions, and reporting. 5. Team building. Assemble a team of experienced professionals, including portfolio managers, analysts, compliance officers, and administrative staff. Ensure that your team has the necessary expertise and qualifications to manage investments and meet regulatory requirements. 6. Distribution and marketing. Develop a marketing strategy to attract investors to your mutual funds. This may involve building relationships with financial advisors, institutions, and other distribution channels. Create marketing materials and communications to promote your funds and differentiate them from competitors. 7. Launch and operations. Launch your mutual funds once all regulatory approvals are in place. Implement robust operational processes for managing investments, processing transactions, and servicing investors. Monitor fund performance and adjust investment strategies as needed to achieve stated objectives. 8. Compliance monitoring and reporting. Continuously monitor compliance with regulatory requirements and update policies and procedures as necessary. Prepare and file regulatory reports and disclosures in a timely manner. 9. Client servicing and investor relations. Provide excellent client service to investors, including responding to inquiries, providing account information, and addressing any concerns. Communicate regularly with investors through newsletters, reports, and other communications to keep them informed about fund performance and market developments. Starting a mutual fund company requires careful planning, regulatory compliance, and a commitment to delivering value to investors. It's essential to seek professional advice and expertise to navigate the complexities of the mutual fund industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.